For much of the last decade, Apple Inc. rejected the idea of including touchscreens on its computers and mocked competitors that dared offer the feature. But in a major shift, the company is now at work on a new MacBook Pro for 2025 with a touchscreen. Over the years, Apple argued that touchscreens don't function well on laptops and that the iPad is a better option for those looking for a touchscreen interface. The iPad maker is worried about the tablet's sales being cannibalized with the introduction of Touch Macs. Apple's first touchscreen MacBook Pro is expected to have a traditional laptop design, including a trackpad and keyboard, but the screen would have touch input and gestures. The company is also considering moving its displays to the organic light emitting diode or OLED technology. It uses LEDs on its Macs, but the iPhones and watches function on OLED. The touchscreen Macs will also feature the latest Apple processors, offering faster performance and battery life than the current models. They will also feature the newest versions of Mac OS, which will be optimized for touchscreen interactions. The introduction of touchscreen Macs will also help Apple to strengthen its position in the market, as it will appeal to a wide range of users, including artists, designers, and the education segment. Touchscreen Macs will also provide a more natural and intuitive way of interacting with the computer, making it more accessible to users of all ages and abilities.